occasionally you'll hear a mimicked phrase in the middle of a song out of a catbird. But normally it's just nondescript warbling that's taking place. A very rich song, but mostly you can't identify anything other than catbird vocalizations. In contrast, this bird was giving really fine imitations of a whole host of different species. In order to fully appreciate the ability of a particular mimic, of an individual as it mimics, an advanced knowledge of wildlife sounds really helps you tune in to what this animal is doing. This bird was mimicking a sora rail, beautiful song out of western wood pewee, Wilson snipe, and even a Pacific tree frog. Really spectacular. The theory as to why these mimics imitate other species is that the male with the greatest repertoire is demonstrating to potential mates to females that he's been around, that he, through his extensive repertoire, has survived many breeding seasons. So the longer you've been around, the more phrases you're able to mimic.